Hello everyone, Siestiana here, doing another unboxing. Made a trip to New Orleans and went to one of my favorite stores, Marie Laveau's House of Voodoo. I believe that's what it's called. So I have tarot deck. It's called Gothic Tarot by Anne Stokes. It's a cute little small deck, and let's get this open. I cannot wait. Okay. Oh wow! I'm loving this already. I uh, It is Anne Stokes collection. There's a little booklet thing in the middle of it. Okay, so let's look through this. So that's an extra card. We have the Fool, the Magician. Oh my goodness. Oh. The High Priestess. This is going to be a another deck for clarifiers, y'all. Oh my god. Because it's so tiny feeling. The Empress. The Emperor. Oh my god. And the camera is not doing this deck justice whatsoever. The Hierophant. Oh my god. And the Hierophant is normally depicted as a male. This is a female. The Lovers. Oh my god. Chariot. Justice. I love it. I am absolutely loving this deck. The Hermit. Wheel of Fortune. Strength. The Hangman. Ooh, it's Medusa. And it's so blurry as I get it closer. I don't know if it's going to focus. Oh. Death. Temperance. The Devil. The Tower. The Star. Oh my goodness. Beautiful unicorn. And the moon. The sun. Judgment. Oof. The world. Okay. So that's the majors. The cups. Oh my goodness. The vampire teeth. Two cups. Okay, so the cups are all the same picture. It just shows the number at the top. Okay. And has the knave, just like one of the other decks that I have. The knight, queen, oh my goodness. And the king. Okay. So pentacles, oh, it's the skulls. Two. Okay, this one has the actually 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my goodness, I'm loving this deck. 10, the knave, the knight, the queen, and the king. Oh my goodness. This deck is so dark. Oh my god. The swords. Really, really nice one. So the ace, 2, 3. Oh, and it's got the feathers with it. Okay. So the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally gives off such a different feeling. The knave. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. The knight. The queen. And the king. Such power. Such power. Oh my goodness. Now the wands. The ace. 2 of wands. 3, 4. This is all dragons. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And see. See it good enough? Oh my goodness. Like it really, the camera is not doing this justice at all. So the knave of wands, the knight, dragon. Oh my god. The queen and the king. This is one bad. Oh my god. I love this deck. I absolutely love it. Gothic Tarot by Anne Stokes. Beautiful imagery. Oh my goodness. This is going to be a wonderful deck to do some clarifiers with. Cannot wait to use it. So if y'all enjoy this, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Love to hear from you. Till next time, I'm out for now.